welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. For those who are new, my name is Kudi, K-U-D-I, and in today's video I'll be doing a Pretty Little Thin try-on haul. Yes, Pretty Little Thin try-on haul. Let me know what you think about the outfits in today's video, but sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You know, will be really helpful for me, and follow me on my socials as well, on Instagram and TikTok at just Kudi. And you know, get to know me besides YouTube. Get to know the different parts of me. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, you know, get to know me and let's connect. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I know I already said that, but subscribe to my channel, please. Be sure to subscribe. Alright, so that's it. Let's get right into this video. I'll take your man. Just kidding. Alright, the first outfit is this pink cutout bodycon dress. Like, come on. It's giving body, and it's not showing too much, but you know, just showing the right amount. Like the cutout on this. Let's go to the back. You can tie it on the back. It's just perfect. Like, you know, this was supposed to be in my Valentine lookbook that I just did, but for some reason I left it out. But you know what? This is a perfect starter. This is a perfect starter. This is so cute. The material on this, like, come on. Come on. Like, come on. And you can adjust it too. Like, it's very, you know, it's not too tight and you're not restricted. You can bend over, you know, twerk in this too. Like, yes, you can twerk in this. I already tried. Yes. Yeah, what else to say? It's nice. I like this. This is it's a good starter. And I got this in a UK 4, which is a US 0. Perfect. Like the cutout, the details, perfect. The material, perfect. Like, yeah, perfect. Yeah. Alright, the next outfit that I got is, I'm pairing this top. It's a high neck crop top. The material is so perfect. It's so nice. It's like a thick material and like slinky, silky, just perfect. There isn't much details to it. The back is just, you know, simple as well. You can just put it on over you, and there's nothing much to it. It's not hard to put on. And I'm pairing this up with this leather greenish khaki color. It has a slit in the bottom. Excuse my socks, but it has a slit in the bottom. There isn't a zipper to it, and it's perfect. Like, it fits so perfect. I was wondering if I should have sized up on it, but it's just perfect, okay? And plus I just ate, so yeah, I just ate. And I got this pants in a UK 6, which is a 2 in US sizing, and I got this top in a UK 4, which is a 0 in US sizing. So they're actually so nice. The material is like so nice. It actually complements each other, right? It kind of complements each other. Yeah, it kind of does. So yeah, let me know what you think about the outfits so far. It's only been 2 options so far. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section. But sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, okay? Hit that subscribe button. Alright, the next one, I'm pairing up this chocolate cutout, you know, top with this pant. This top is perfect because, you know, I got a small chest and I'm proud of it, but you know, it's not too much, but it's too much. It's too much. Yeah, it's too much. I love it. Girls that got bigger chests and they're blessed in that way, you're blessed with this top. You're blessed, and I love this top. The material is thick but not too thick. It's thick but not too thick. I got this in a UK 4, which is a 0. It's perfect. Like, Why you like hit that subscribe button? You sure already know. You sure already know. Make sure you follow me on my social on Instagram and TikTok because I'm going on set later today and I'm gonna be wearing this. Like, yeah, I'll be wearing this, and you should have already seen, you know, a glimpse of this top on Instagram and TikTok. All right, the next outfit that I'm pairing up together is this cross neck strap bodysuit. It's super cute. I love that you can, you know, adjust it, you know, over the neck, or you can do over the shoulder. I prefer the over the neck better, and the strap goes all the way back, and it's a bodysuit, and I got this in a UK 6, which is a 2 in the US sizes, but I should definitely size down because I do want this to be a little snag and, you know, to give me a little something on the chest. So but it's not bad. I do like it. I like the material as well. The material is very nice. It's similar to the pink outfit material, and it's so nice. Like, it's very comfortable. So yeah, I should have definitely sized down on this bodysuit, which would be much better, but it's still good. It's still good. And I'm pairing this up with this skirt that I got. It's a ruched leather, you know, full skirt, which is super nice. It has a rope that comes with it. Well, you can always adjust it, you know, however you like, and it's so comfortable. You know, it accentuates your curve because it's ruched material and it's leather too. I like that I'm pairing this up like together, black and black, and it's so nice. Like, wow. Wow, I do like it. I like the material. It's so nice. Accentuates my curve. I don't know if you can tell, but it does accentuate my curve. You know, you can adjust this however you like. And it also has another rope on the top. You can adjust it from the top. You can adjust it from the bottom, however you feel like. You know, do your thing, girl. Do your thing. But yeah, I do like this very much. I do. And I got this skirt in a UK 6, which is a US 4. So it's very comfortable. It's not, you know, and it has a zipper on the side. You can adjust it as well. It's so comfortable, you know. It's very cute. I like that I'm pairing this together. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section so far. You know, yeah, I like this skirt. I wasn't sure how I felt about this when I first got it, but then I referenced back on the website to see what it looked like, and then I realized why I got it, and it's so cute. I love it. So yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see how I style this in my, you know, on my Instagram page. You know, make sure you follow me on there. And all right, the next outfit that I'm pairing together is this chocolate sweatshirt, and it has a PRETTYLITTLETHING logo on it. I do have to say it smells good. You know, sometimes when you order clothes, it has like a smell to it, but whoever packed my order did a good job. I don't know what you did, but it has a good smell so far. But this one, to be exact, this sweatshirt has a good smell. And I like the material on this, you know, sweatshirt. It's very thick. It's very nice. I got this in an extra small, but if I wanted this to be a bit bigger, a bit looser, it's still comfortable, but I would have sized up. But yeah, I could have sized up for sure. But I do like the sizing on this. It fits me perfect. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It's just perfect. But if I wanted this to be a bit baggier, I would have went up to a small, but it's perfect. And I love the color as well. It's so cute, and it has, you know, PRETTYLITTLETHING written on it as well. And then I'm pairing this up with this denim jeans. It has, you know, cut out on the knee side, and it also has a slit on the side. Excuse my socks. Okay, excuse my socks. I do want to let you know for sure, if you have a bigger butt or, you know, a thicker thighs, you should size up. You should size up because I had a bit of a struggle, you know, trying to like go past my thighs and towards my butt because, you know, I'm petite, but I still have, you know, somewhere else, like my thighs and my butt. And I couldn't even zip this up. Like, I was trying to blame that because I ate earlier, but that's not why. I should never feel like just because I ate, it's not gonna fit. It should fit regardless if I ate or not. So I'm gonna definitely return this and get a size 6, UK 6. I got this in a UK 4, wait, UK 8. I got this in a UK 6. I should have definitely sized up to a UK 8, which is gonna be a 4 in US sizes. But yeah, it's not bad. I wanted to get a jeans. I have too many jeans, but I don't have something like this in my collection. So I wanted to get something with a slit on the bottom, and you know. But I do like the wash, you know, the color of this jeans. It's like a light, very light blue. It's not bad, and you know, has a pocket, the basics of a jeans. Yeah. But you should definitely size up if you're gonna order this or you're gonna get this. Yeah. Alright, the last outfit is this bum unitard. It says PLT on the chest area, which stands for Pretty Little Thin. Yes. So it's very comfortable, you know. I already twerked in this already, so it's approved. It's cotton. The material is actually super nice. It's actually cotton. It's real cotton for sure. It has a collar to it. I would definitely wear this at home or, you know, going out to grocery store. Yeah. And you know, I keep mentioning get to know me in my past video and this video as well. Yeah, I feel like in a way you're getting to know my personality and me as a person, and you know, but there's more to me for sure. And I feel like fashion, like my style, my aesthetic, kind of like, you know, portray that as well. So yeah, let me know which outfits were your favorites so far. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. And you know, follow me on my social, Instagram, TikTok at Just Kudi. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.